We are at Vesterålen, and this is Kolvika, a recreational area with a beach and free parking. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. We started our trip in southern Norway, and we have already found beautiful campsites at Mjøsa, in Rondane National Park, Trondheim, Trofors, Bodø, then Værøy, and other locations in Lofoten, Utakleiv and Eggum, and now we are continuing north to Vesterålen, this archipelago. Here are some last shots from Lofoten before we leave the archipelago. Okay, we're here. Here we found parking at the island Hatseløya. In Google Maps, this place is called Kolvika, so let's check it out. There are these cute little hearts here with love poems on them.
Det hva, men det fint. Hvem har klint?
We found a tent site here on a little hill so that we can see the beach, and we also have a view to the north right here in case the sun comes out for midnight sun. And there are sheep that we can hear. Unfortunately, it is raining a little, so we're staying inside our tents, but maybe we can come out later and sit outside. But we have chocolate, we have movie, we have books, so we're good. This is a beautiful tent site. Yes, it looks a bit grey, but that's because of the weather. Just imagine this in golden sunlight during sundown. Well, that sun isn't going to come from behind those clouds. We're going to sleep. Okay, the next day. Still clouded. At least we saw the midnight sun back in Lofoten. We're moving on. Tomorrow we are going to meet Elise and Gjermund. We traveled with them last year too. Maybe you remember them. We are going to meet them at Stø, so we are driving there and we'll look for a campsite. Our second night in Vesterålen, one of Northern Norway's most scenic areas. We found a tent site here, close to the little town Stø, along Dronningruta, Queen's Trail in English, because there is a trail here that the Queen has walked someday. We're gonna walk that trail tomorrow with Elise and Gjermund, two of our friends. But first we are enjoying this tent site. We found here a flat piece of ground, which is important for a good night's sleep. We also have a good view to the north. It is clouded again, but we'll see if it clears up later tonight. Right, so no midnight sun, but another thing that is fun to watch is all those mosquitoes that really want to come into the tent and eat some blood, but the netting is working so well, joke's on you, mosquitoes. Good morning, looks like a nice day to go out for a hike. Or not, it started raining a lot. And there was strong wind. The forecast said it was going to be like this the whole day. So we're not going hiking. How do you feel about that, Vegard? So what can we do in Vesterålen when it's raining?
Kom!
We can go feed some reindeer. We went to this place called Reindeer Farm Saami Culture on Hinnøya. And a woman explained to us a lot about reindeer herding and Saami culture. The Saami people are an indigenous people in northern Norway, Sweden, Finland and Russia. And it was very interesting, like how they mark the reindeer to see who they belong to. They have a very special technique for that. And how they make a living off the reindeer. This woman has reindeer up in the mountains, but she holds, I think there were 5 reindeer on this farm for visitors. And then next year, other reindeer will come here, so she changes them every year.
Ja, han litt rød på nesa.
And we fed the reindeer. Så gøy.
Det er sånn fin.
Ja.
Gøy.
Ja.
The reindeer are a bit skinny this time of year. It is first in late summer that they start gaining weight for the winter and grow more fur. They were not afraid of us, as long as we had food.
Det her har begynt å legge litt på seg allerede. Han har begynt å bli litt tjukkere.
I can definitely recommend this if you're once in Northern Norway. She speaks English as well, so now you do not have an excuse. Ja, de tar en hel hånd av gangen.
Kjenner på så myke lepper de har.
Ja, kjempe.
Nei, vil du ikke ha? Jo. For er dette gutter eller jenter?
Alle gutter.
Alle gutter.
Ja. Next time we explore the island Senja with Elise and Jermen, and we hike here. Look at that!